Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's move further towards another activity. Here first we are tracing down the flowers and then with the help of the pencil we are just tracing down the baselines for the different types of the flowers that we are trying to make the 3D one. This activity is again very good and very beautiful. Erase the previously used play pencil marks and after that you just have to add more features as apparent on your screens. You may require a black marker for this one, even you can start with any other color. Let's now move towards our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this coconut plant. For this you just have to first make the three squares that are somewhat tilted. After that you just have to make a bent line that's going to represent the trunk, and the most important thing is the leaves that are the characteristic features. You can see how we have made these leaves. This activity is again very simple, fill it with some bright colors. Let's now move towards our another artifact. Here we are first making some of the slant lines and in between we are making some of the cuts. Then we are joining them together. Then we are trying to make the roses like here. It's going to represent a bouquet full of red roses and it's so good, and we can engrave I love you at the center. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to first make these W-shaped lines and after that it's going to represent the trunk of this tree. Then you just have to make some of the lines that are hanging together one after the another, and the tree trunk is filled with the brown color. Let's move towards our another activity. Here you just have to make a circle and after that you just have to make some of the lines, and all these lines are joined together and these are going to represent the petals of this flower, and after that the stalk area and the leaves are also made. For this we have used a glitter pen. You can even make use of the marker. The choice is all yours. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one you just have to make some of the curvy lines as apparent here one after the another. We are just trying to draw this, and once you are done with this one you just have to take the orange shade and you just have to fill it from the lower portion and from the upper one. This is again very simple and again very easy. It just gives you a 3D look that these are the natural flowers. This is the simplest activity. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one you just have to make this circle, then you just have to make a heart shape, from the lower portion a U shape, and the lines are to be joined as shown on your screens. It's going to represent a beautiful rose. We have to make the stalk, leaves and the thorn is the important one. This is so good and so easy. Let's now move further towards our another activity. For this one you just have to make some of the lines. Here we have traced down the two lines and over which we are just trying to write down some V shapes and then we are connecting them together. These are representing some of the leaves of this corn. This activity is so good. It's actually representing the maize plant. This looks so nice and pretty. Let's now move towards our another activity. For this one you just have to make these crisscross lines. After that with the help of the marker you just have to convert them into some of the curves so that these will represent the natural look, and after that you just have to trace them together properly, and once you are done with this you just have to fill it with some bold colors. I have used yellow and the green one. You can use any other color. Let's move further towards another activity. You just have to trace down the shape of the star and after that you just have to make some of the lines. We have just 4, 5, 6 lines almost that we are tracing down and then we are filling it with some bold colors. Thank you for watching.